Ladies, I'm bringing not one, but two glueless, and I definitely mean glueless, not adhered at all, but very much melted, already plucked to the gods and ready to wear. Okay, girl. Kinky straight human hair closure wigs from today's sponsor, Shein. Now, the texture is soft, the hair flows, it looks very natural. The best part is both are under $200. Now, let me put you on to this beauty. I'm gonna need you to keep on watching. But before we get too deep, make sure you hit that red subscribe button if you're enjoying my content, and turn on the notification bells if you don't want to miss any of my uploads. Now, these are 100% human hair wigs, and they both have similar specs, and all of the details are going to be linked directly in the description box. The links, any discount codes, if any, is available. Okay, so these wigs are both a kinky straight natural black 6x4 closure with pre-plucked hairlines that look very, very good. 180% density. The shorter wig I'm gonna call Shorty. She's just 20 inches long. This is the short one. And then we also have Lisa, and she's the 28 inches. Okay, you'll see her when I back up and start styling them. Now, they both have the same exact spec. So as you can see, we have an elastic band on the inside. We have the lace area. We don't have combs on this unit, so do keep that in mind. Okay, so I'm gonna add my leave-in conditioner, some heat protectant, some more heat protectant, and I'm also going to add this right here because it smells so good. Got it from Dollar Tree. So I did apply all of that to the hair. You can see Lisa right here. She's really, really long, y'all. The texture on these units are beautiful. Now, Lisa is going to be the one that is a little bit thinner, and she's very soft and less coarse. Now, I did the same exact thing to Shorty. Okay, I'm gonna call Shorty the 20-inch one because she's a little shorter, and this is Shorty right here. She's definitely thicker and she's coarser. The strands are coarser to the touch. So right now I'm taking Lisa, the 28-inch one, and I'm going to be putting some crimps. I don't want to do the same exact styles for both because I want to be able to, you know, have something different for both of them. So I'm going ahead and adding some huge crimps to Lisa, getting her nice and pretty. When I tell you the Lisa flows, y'all, the hair is so soft. So to get her nice on the top, I did add some wax sticks. I flattened her out. I will be adding some mousse and just kind of getting her right before I actually put it on my head. So I didn't mention, I'm going to mention now, the lace is already cut for you, so you don't have to worry about cutting the lace yourself, which is a plus. When I say ready to wear, I mean, you could have pulled it out the box and just put it on your head. You didn't have to wash it and everything like I did. You really don't. So for Shorty, I'm going to use the hot comb to run a pass through it to kind of help soften it up a little bit more, and then I'm going to go in with my flat iron to get it straight. She is the coarser texture, so she is going to take more heat to get her bone straight. Had I did it with Lisa, I probably didn't need to use the hot comb. I did the same thing to lay her down at the top, so we're going to move through this so we can get on to the next step, which is installation. And as you can see, both wigs are moving and flowing. These are beautiful wigs, y'all, beautiful. So as far as the next steps, I'm going to go ahead and tint the lace because you can see it's lighter than I need to be. I did add some foundation. Actually, I used some powder, and then I set the powder with my setting spray and then with some hairspray to keep everything in place. Now I'm going to go ahead and start installing. So the installation for both is the same. I didn't do anything as far as melting them down. It melts already. Just look how good that looks, y'all. I did cut a few lace pieces off, just kind of tweak it, you know, just a little bit more for my head. I added some powder to the lace, to the parting space, added some wax melt, shaped it up, combed it, and that's it. And I did that for both units, so there's no need to show doing it to Miss Lisa. So this is Shorty, really easy. Oh my gosh, y'all, they plucked the mess out of these wigs. Okay, so Lisa is looking really good. She's holding a nice crimp. I didn't add like any hairspray because I didn't want the hair to be hard and crunchy. So the crimps will eventually start falling, and that is fine. But look how beautiful. This one is my favorite. Lisa, I have worn to work so many times. She comes in clutch. You can just put her on and keep it pushing. No meltdown needed. As y'all can see, these units are completely glueless and it looks so good. And they plucked it and they did a really great job with the plucking, y'all. Really great job. The fit for me is okay. A little bit of my edges are out on the sides, but when it comes to closures, it's typically like that. It doesn't have ear tabs and it does not go ear to ear. The fit is really, really nice, and I did wear wig grips with these units. So, oh my gosh, come on, Lisa. Come on, Lisa. So this is Shorty, and this is what Shorty looks like. The texture is still showing through, very much pretty, gorgeous. I mean, I don't have anything bad to say about either units. They're really good, and it is my first time trying human hair wigs from Shein, and I must say they're both so beautiful. If you are someone who likes fuller, thicker, and coarser hair, go with Shorty. If you want somebody with more slick and smooth but still have texture, then go with Lisa. But both of them are just absolutely amazingly beautiful, y'all. Again, I will put the direct links and all of the information for both units in the description box below, and I want y'all to comment down below and let me know which one you feeling more, the long one, which is Lisa with the crimps, or the short one, which is Shorty, which we kept straight. Let me know in the comment section below, y'all. I will catch you in another video. Until then, I will holla later.